Hi, Overbrook, Miss Nadelback here. Today we're going to be discussing Google Calendar. So I'm going to show you where to find Google Calendar and why it will save you so much this year in terms of stress and time. So let's get started. Step one, where do you find it? So there's a couple of places. The first is to look in the classwork area. So when you go into classwork in your Google Classroom, you'll see that there's actually a link for Google Calendar. You also have it here in the waffle. You can find it right over here. You also will be able to download the app on a phone, and it doesn't matter if it's an iPhone or an Android. Click on Google Calendar. And the great thing about it is everything syncs up. So here's your assignment from the calendar, and it will give you all the information you need. So this is one way to find it. The other thing you can do is add events, reminders, and other items, to-do lists within your calendar. In order to do this, you need to click on Create. So click on Create. If we want to do a reminder, let's just say we have a chemistry quiz that we need to study for. So I'm going to write here, study chemistry. Let's just say I have a quiz. I can pick a day that I know that I have to study. Pick a time. Usually I come home from school and have a snack, and then I hit save. Now you'll see that the review is here, and then I can mark it as done when I finish it. Now, another thing you can do is you can create events. These events could be anything. If you know that you work on every Wednesday from 5 to 9, you might want to put that in your calendar so that you don't schedule anything at that time, or if you have a complicated schedule. So I'm going to write working at if I know that I work on a specific day every week. So let's just say I got the new job and I'm going to be working Wednesdays from 5 to 9. And here it says does not repeat, but I'm going to say, you know what? I work weekly on Wednesday. Okay. I can add the location if I want to. And then I hit save. So now you'll see that it's here, but I don't want it to be purple. I want a different color, so I know that my job is different. If I right click, I can change that color, which will make it more organized for me. When I edit an event, it'll give me the option of just this event or this and all following events. And that's it. So this is a way to keep yourself organized. You can keep yourself scheduled. If mom makes a hair appointment for you or you have to go to the doctor, you can schedule that in. And maybe this will make you feel more comfortable about getting all of your work done. I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, Mrs. Nadelback, snadelback@pinehillschools.org. Or you can just stop by the Media Center. Bye-bye.